Thank you for coming back for part 2 of this 3-part series on my teleprompter script development and recording system. As you know, if you watched part 1, I explained my teleprompter hardware. Now I'll talk about my teleprompter software. There are a few free and paid teleprompter apps and online teleprompter tools available. And after testing about 5 different options, 2 contenders emerged as the front runners for me: PromptSmart Plus and SpeakFlow. I'll say that they are both very good, and the final decision for me came down to the type of script reading that I prefer to do, which is reading the script with the ability to ad-lib spontaneously anywhere in the script. PromptSmart Plus does a better job allowing me to freely ad-lib, which is why I decided on PromptSmart Plus. Now picture this: you're standing in front of the camera, recording your video, as I am now, and your teleprompter script is automatically scrolling along, keeping pace with your words, just as if you had a human assistant scrolling for you. Other apps do this, but PromptSmart Plus has a feature called voice track scrolling, which understands and follows your spoken words, while other apps just follow the continuous sound of your voice. Those apps will stop scrolling when your voice stops, and those apps will start scrolling when your voice begins, regardless of what words you're saying. So you can't really ad-lib because it will scroll the script forward even though you're not speaking what's on the script. PromptSmart Plus stops scrolling as soon as your spoken words stop matching the words in the written script. It automatically resumes scrolling when your spoken words match the script again. That's more accurate, and it really is like having a human assistant paying attention to you and scrolling for you based on what you're actually saying. For me, that works a lot better than a script that just continuously scrolls. Let me give you a little demo. My primary teleprompter is in front of me, and you're now looking over my shoulder as I read the script. I'm going to read the script and then stop reading the script and ad-lib. You'll see the script stop scrolling while I ad-lib, and you'll see it continue scrolling when I start reading the script again. Here we go. Welcome to my new YouTube channel, Thoughts Lift. Through this channel, I intend to share content that provides uplifting experiences and information that lifts up the human spirit. Through inspirational thoughts and through providing training videos in various categories, I will provide encouragement that energizes you towards making the world a better place. Now, here is where I'm going to ad-lib, and you'll see that the script has stopped. It did skip ahead on one of the sentences as it buffered, I guess you could say, but it's going to now sit here and wait patiently for me to finish rambling before it continues to scroll. So I can go on and on and on and on and on, and it won't budge until it recognizes that my words match the script. So here we go. I will produce content in various categories. It may include poetry, it may include content about how your brain works, it may include anything that could possibly encourage you to pursue the next better version of you, with the hope that you will be able to make contributions to making the world a better place. Now, here's a little nuance to be aware of. While PromptSmart Plus is impressively smart, it's not perfect. Sometimes it might jump to a part of the script that matches words you've spoken, even if you've temporarily gone off script. So you have to be mindful to not ad-lib words that are further down in the script. I will say that when I first began using PromptSmart about 4 months ago prior to this recording, that was a noticeable issue. I'm noticing now that it's not happening. I've tested it a couple of times and I couldn't even force it to incorrectly jump ahead, so they may have corrected that issue. So how well does this voice track scrolling really work? First thing is that the device running the script must be able to pick up your voice accurately. The Samsung S8 tablet that I'm using picks up my voice fairly well as long as I'm talking loudly and clearly and not more than about 5 feet away from the device. I found that as I'm standing closer to 10 feet away, and also I'm not the loudest person in the room, so I needed to connect a wired microphone to the tablet for the Prompt Smart Plus app to work precisely. At first, Prompt Smart Plus was skipping lines and responding slowly, but I put on a wireless mic and connected the mic output to the tablet, and that made a significant improvement. I had no more issues with the app tracking my voice and words correctly. It also tracks my words very accurately and very consistently, no matter how fast or slow I'm talking. One feature I wished for is more control over the width of the text display. The app provides 5 fixed positions for adjusting the script's display width. Now, the wider the text display width, the more your eyes will move side to side and make it more obvious that you're reading instead of appearing that you're looking directly into the camera lens. Even with this slight limitation, the overall experience of the Prompt Smart Plus app is fantastic. Prompt Smart Plus has a web browser version which allows creating and editing the scripts on my PC and saves the script in the cloud. I can then go to the tablet and open the same script on the tablet using the Prompt Smart Plus tablet app and play the script in teleprompter mode when I'm ready to record. If I need to make changes to the script, I do not have to go back to my PC. I prefer working on the PC, but I don't have to go back to the PC. I can go into editing mode on the tablet and continue editing the script on the tablet. Prompt Smart Plus allows customized speaker profiles. That means you can configure how you want the script to display in teleprompter mode with your desired font type, font size, and font color, and screen background color. For example, here I have a blue font and a black background. You can configure whatever color scheme you want. I haven't seen a limit on the number of speaker profiles you can create, but I have created 4 while testing, and now I really only need to use 1 while it's just me recording. Let's talk about multiple displays. If you want to run more than 1 teleprompter simultaneously, Prompt Smart Plus can do that. Of course, that means having additional tablets or monitors as well, but here's a quick look at how that works. Here, I have my tablet running as the main teleprompter on the right. On the left, I have a second teleprompter running on the laptop. Both devices are displaying the same script. My audio is feeding into the tablet, and the tablet is scrolling based on my spoken words. The laptop on the left is using the Prompt Smart Plus duplicate prompter display to simply display what's happening on the main tablet. The laptop is not being controlled by my spoken words. It's simply displaying the script and scrolling in sync with the main teleprompter script running on the tablet. You can also install the Prompt Smart Plus remote control app on your phone, then use your phone as a remote control to scroll the script up and down and pause and play the script. So here I have the remote control app on the phone. I'm going to open it up. And it's already set up to log into my account. So I tap that magnifying glass so it can look for the scripts that are already running. This is the script that's already running on the tablet. And now I can pause it, scroll back up to where I need to be in the script. And as you see, the main teleprompter is responding to the remote control app on the phone, as well as the secondary teleprompter running on the laptop. So this is controlling both screens. So I will scroll back to where I left off at the script and press play. And that's how the app works as a remote control on your phone. Unfortunately, there are no voice commands to scroll, pause, and play the script. However, if you have a larger space and having a remote control will be a convenience for you, this has that capability. Prompt Smart Plus is $9.99 per month. To me, it's a no-brainer investment if I'm serious about cranking out high-quality, engaging videos as efficiently as possible. It's truly like having a live assistant scrolling the script for me. However, if you really don't need that extra touch of the voice tracking, word recognition, I think SpeakFlow is a great option. SpeakFlow also has an AI component built in to help you fine-tune your script. Now, if PromptSmart Plus ever gets an AI component for that, I think PromptSmart Plus overall would be unbeatable. Game over from my perspective. Thanks for continuing to watch this 3-part series. In part 3, I'll show you the full workflow for how I develop scripts and record higher quality videos faster using PromptSmart Plus, voice typer dictation software, and ChatGPT, and of course, the Glide Gear TMP 750 teleprompter.